How to achieve scientific cost reduction and sustainable efficiency increase with high feed raw material prices? The price of raw materials continues to rise, and feed enterprises are facing huge cost pressure. Cost reduction and efficiency increase is the most hottest topic recently, and it is also an urgent problem to be solved by feed enterprises. How to reduce costs scientifically and increase efficiency continuously. This involves the procurement, quality control, technology, production, sales, finance, and other aspects. Formula cost accounts for 80–85% of feed cost, which is an important direction for cost reduction. In the face of the price rise of soybean meal, the main measure is to choose the relatively low-price miscellaneous meal, corn byproducts, etc., to replace soybean meal. However, when using miscellaneous meal and corn byproducts, it will bring a series of problems, such as poor palatability, poor balance of amino acids, low content of restrictive amino acids, low digestibility, high content of anti-nutritional factors, high risk of oxidative rancidity, and mycotoxin. Main problems in raw materials of miscellaneous meal and corn byproducts. First, the content of anti-nutritional factors is high, such as non-starch polysaccharide, erucic acid, free gossypol, etc. These anti-nutritional factors reduce palatability, lower the quality of starch and protein sources, and can affect feed digestion and absorption rates, as well as intestinal health. Second, the balance between amino acids of miscellaneous meal and corn byproducts are poor, and the digestibility is low. Especially when limiting amino acids such as lysine, methionine, and threonine are reduced, it is necessary to supplement them with corresponding amino acids, balance limiting amino acids, and adjust the dosage of vitamins and trace elements to ensure that the growth performance of aquatic animals does not decrease. Third, high risk of oxidative rancidity and mycotoxin. Corn gluten flour contains high protein, but it is mainly gliadine, with low digestibility and high toxin content. The crude fat content of DDGS is 9%, 12%, which is very easy to be oxidized and rancid. DDGS has a high content of pyrosulfite due to the external spraying of the extract, with obvious sour or salty astringent taste. In addition, DDGS mycotoxin content is high. Peanut meal contains more NSP and is easy to be contaminated with aflatoxin, so its use is limited. Fourth, due to the effects of rancidity, toxins, and anti-nutritional factors, the palatability is poor and the feed intake is low. Due to the above main shortcomings of miscellaneous meal, the possible negative effects of large use of miscellaneous meal: low feed intake, decreased immunity, increased morbidity, slow growth, poor anti-stressability, poor meat quality, etc. What should we pay attention to? Formula technology for miscellaneous meal-based diets. 1. Pay attention to the proportion of miscellaneous meal. For example, in shrimp feed, rapeseed meal is 3 to 5%, peanut meal and DGS are 5%, 10%. 2. Pay attention to the balance of amino acids. The use of miscellaneous meals requires the addition of amino acids to achieve the balance of amino acids, especially the supplement of essential amino acids, lysine, methionine, etc. 3. Improve digestibility. The miscellaneous meal contains more NSP and anti-nutritional factors, and the digestibility is generally low. It is better to do pre-treatment, such as enzymolysis or fermentation in advance, not only to reduce the harm of anti-nutritional factors to the body, but also to improve the overall digestibility of feed. 4. Adding feed attractant to improve the palatability of feed. 5. Strengthen liver and intestinal health. The digestibility of miscellaneous meal, raw materials is low, and the content of anti-nutritional factors is high, which is easy to lead to liver and intestinal damage and intestinal flora disorder. 6. Control mycotoxin, lipid oxidative rancidity, and stabilize feed quality. 7. Pay attention to oxidative stress and meat quality risk. What about suggested reference plan for miscellaneous meal diets? 1. Control the amount of miscellaneous meal and balance amino acids. It is recommended that the protein provided by miscellaneous meal should not exceed 5%, which can save about $8 to $10 per ton. 2. Improve fat digestibility. Runyon bile acid is 200–600 gram per ton, saving 5 to 8 kilogram per ton of oil. 3. Improve immunity and meat quality. What about value-added effect brought by the scheme? Directly reduce the cost of feed formulation. The liver and intestine are healthier and grow faster. Reduce morbidity, reduce FCR, and improve meat quality.